Yeah.
Just lock
The gate?
lock I left open. And just lock it into the other two locks so that they're all in a chain.
Okay. I should have walked up with you, but yeah, no worries. I'll walk around. It's all good.
It's sugar, right?
No, it's not. It's trust is a hard thing to find, so.
So Don, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Still recording? Let me see for a second. I'll show you.
Oh my God, Chuck, I don't think we should do that. He wants that.
Here, hold it. Coming up.
Yeah, but I don't. You're gonna. Can you move the cone?
We're fine.
I don't know. I'm a little worried about this.
Going up the hill.
Is there any way we could get stuck and we have to call him later?
You're fine. We're going up the hill. This is the most off-road this truck has ever been.
Well, no, but what about going downhill? You know.
This in itself is great footage. Alright, so we're approaching the Red Hill Fire Tower. And somebody's having a picnic. That's cool. Yeah. So, this thing is 600 feet tall. I'm kidding. No, it is. It's 60 feet tall. Going up.
There's someone at the top. Is that?
I think so. It's pretty tall. Yeah, we're going up. The view's improving.
I'm gonna stay here. Or do I?
You're so close.
You do it then.
Keep going.
Oh, seriously?
Wow.
Down. Sitting. I don't.
Hey everybody. 60 feet feels pretty high.
Which is kind of funny because you ziplined.
I know. Feels pretty high up here.
Maybe it's because ziplining, like you're constantly moving. So we're just standing, so it's all different.
Four-wheeling, baby. Four-wheeling in Colorado. Finally. The truck must be so happy today because it's actually doing something off-road.
Can you imagine if I had my rock rails?
Imagine if I had rock rails. This thing's awesome. Oh, I like my truck today. This could be a video all by itself. Riding good.
Yeah, you could go horseback riding in here.
We have 300 and some odd horses in this thing. So we're making our descent down from the Red Hill Fire Tower. This particular means of access is
Not usually
accessible.
accessible.
That's right. We had some we had friends. Whoa, I like this truck. Oh locked up. It's always a sad day when you have to pack your bags and leave, but it is time. And going into the truck. And that's a wrap. Bye. Bye, Mr. Dog.
Slide ride.
He's the only one that cares.
Sheep herder dog.
He's the only one that cares.
See, the dog cares.